Sponsored
What's
by
up again,
Starbucks.
guys? We've been here with Cars and Combos, and I'm here with John
I'm not here.
and his GT86, and today we're gonna install his exhaust right here. That's an Invidia exhaust. We're gonna open that thing right now. What's Staples? Is it on, John? You didn't tell me. Huh?
Stick it in.
John, is it on?
That knife in.
Oh wait, it just comes off the. Never mind. I don't need this knife.
Lols. Lols.
Okay. That's how it looks. Herper derper. Okay. Grab that over there. Take it. That's good right there. Cashback. There's the gaskets. More packaging. Packaging. Yeah. I don't think it'll be that hard. You don't know what I'm doing? Hell no. I know what I'm doing right now. I'm already awake. That looks nice. Look at that. Just do before and after. See how your exhaust sounds right now. Before you take this apart. This is all shiny. You have a silencer too.
Who cares about that, right?
Yeah. Let me get the silencer. You see it? These are silencers. Just in case if you get pulled over. But I don't think it'll be that loud. If it's... Did you say it was a cat back?
Yes.
Oh, you're gonna delete one of your cats now. Or no. It starts from the cat and moves to the back. Look at this. Look at this beautiful little thing. Look at this cannon. Alright. Let's see if we get a before and after rev right here. Come on, John. Turn on the car. Rev it, John. Rev it. Sounds like a hybrid. Is there instructions?
No.
Instructions? Who needs no goddamn instructions? We're just gonna take this thing apart and let's see what happens. So we got two mufflers right here. T-pipe muffler and the resonator. So now we gotta get down under here. Go all the way over there and take that one off. Take the stock muffler and reconnect that thing. And John's over there. Okay, broke it.
Oh fuck.
Hey, I didn't break it like breaking, it just took it off. Yeah, it's this one. And this, it's still hot over here. So you just got to loosen them up. So the stock exhaust is coming off. This is the resonator, this is the cat. Your cat looks funny. It's over here. I don't know what that little thing is. Figure that out later. Where else do I take off? So we gotta take off the little rubber band thingies, the exhaust holders. Take this off. Come off all clear? Yeah, it does. Hey, John, I'm gonna put some tools, put some stuff near you. You can't lose it. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. You can't lose pieces right now. We're gonna keep all your stock parts. Hey, what do you want to keep it at though? You want to leave it here? You can always leave it here if you want, but if you don't, you can take it with you.
I'll leave it here.
Okay, I'm just gonna put it in the back over there.
Okay.
Like my mufflers are probably the same size as yours too. That whole box right there. Does he have a gasket? Oh man.
Goodbye.
Rip. Rip. Oh man. I gotta crawl my ass all over there. Hey, I fit in here. Huh. Let's see. How does this work? Hopefully it doesn't come out like some soot and then I get like covered up with everything.
All over your face.
Hey, you wanna have some fun?
Yummy.
So first we gotta take everything off, and then I'm gonna make you laugh. We'll turn it off. Turn it on without the muffler, without the resonator. Okay.
Bye, Ruben.
Bye. Bye, Ruben. 40 on this. Lube it up. Lube it up. Rub it dub. Thanks for the grub. You just hit my head, didn't you? Ow. Okay. Put it right here too. Watch your eyes, because I'm gonna probably squirt it in there. Okay. Woo! Over here. Suppose it's gonna make it easier. Okay. Because pretty much what everything else is just this pipe right here. I need to disconnect right here, and then I can take off the resonator. Alright, let me get over there now. This is very strong. Okay. Oh wait, not yet. Still going. Push it in. Weighing the dog. This thing doesn't have gaskets, it's funny. It's just how it has how it's set up.
Mm-hmm.
It's just like a little concave thing. And it just sticks it in there. This will be fun. Nope. I have to break it with this thing. Stick it in there. Let us stick it in. Get it going. Oh yeah. Okay. Perfect. Ow, that hurt. You can turn it off for a bit now. Yeah. This is gonna be without the exhaust system. Pretty much like straight piping. Give it a rev! Woo! Give it a rev! Woo! Alright guys, we assembled the exhaust.
I did all the work.
You did all the work right here, John over here. He's my Calvin over here. Even though he doesn't know how to do anything. I actually did it all, but now we're gonna install the exhaust. I think we're just gonna first put the actual hinges onto the rubber and then connect it all the way in the back. We're just gonna go on it. Alright man, let me lift this up. Go on the other side. See these two hooks?
Yeah.
You see the two holes right here in the black thing? Put it in there. I'm gonna go first. You can go next, okay? Just help me lift it up though.
Okay.
We're just gonna scoot it back. Alright, tilt it. No, let go, lift up. It's kind of heavy over here. Now bring it down. I think it'll be easier if we just, since these are curved, take them out and put them in first.
Oh, what the fuck? Oh, wait.
Pull it down and then pull.
Pull down and pull.
Pull down and push. And just keep wiggling so it comes off. Down. Got him. Got him. Right, so just stick it in there. Wiggle it in there. Put the little things. It's gonna be easier. We're just gonna lift up.
Oh, my hurts.
Get the last one. wiggle, wiggle. Okay. So try to just stick it in the holes.
Stick it in the holes.
Let me go first, man. Just stick it in the hole. Lift it up for me, man. Get in there, man. Get in there. Get in that beak. You gotta lift this pipe. Can you go into there and lift that pipe over there?
Huh?
The pipe over there. Can we go first one corner? No, can't do it.
And you need to lift it up?
Yeah. Lift this pipe up first. Got you. Okay, you need the pipe, man. Not me. Okay, keep it like that. Keep it like that. What the fuck is happening over there?
Are those cats?
My dogs. Alright, we got one. Alright, thanks, man.
Do you need something?
I'm gonna pull it. There's a little pain right here. Oh, there goes one. I can do it. Come on. Oh, yes. Almost. Almost. I felt that sensation coming on.
Why do you smell like
Huh? What does it smell like leaves? It smell like leaves?
there's something smell like
You try the one of those homeless guys that are around here, man.
Probably in my car.
Oh, man. Oh, no. Yeah, we in there?
What are you doing?
Putting in his exhaust?
No. How's it
Hello.
going? Isaac.
It's John.
John. Give it a rev. Give more rev. High rev. High rev.
Alright guys, we're done here. We installed his exhaust right here. It wasn't even hard at all, just connecting it. But ooh, look at that. That sounds beefy. John, rev it, John. Oh, yeah. But alright guys, if you guys enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to keep watching guys, subscribe. Alright, got you in the next one guys. Bye.